971 aircraft maintenance engineers, 662 standard air traffic controllers, and 807 personnel in various arms of aeronautical telecommunication engineering have been trained. Some have returned to give back to the college as instructors mentoring the future generation. The past 50 years have not been without challenges. For a period of time, INCAT could not train pilots as its fleet of training aircraft were all down. Major activities grounded to a halt. Gladly, with enormous support from the federal government and industry operators, the college surmounted the challenges. It is fully back on track.
The past 50 years, the college has done tremendously well, even though part of the period that we are reviewing, we had some problem, which is normal with an organization of this nation. I would say throughout this experience, help came from especially those who were former students of the college in one way or the other, because some offered and voluntarily came back to the college to serve the college. And by their coming, it really helped the college. We were lucky again that amongst the former students of the college, or people who had one thing or the other to do with the college, people were appointed by government. They came here and served the college meritoriously in a way that every one of us that is in the college is proud of what has happened. The lessons learned from all these experiences, we are better off today.
With a high-altitude flyer and achiever as minister in charge of aviation, the college has a capable chief pilot.
It is to the credit of President Goodluck Jonathan that the revamp and the transformation of the NCAT has brought changes to the college. Today we commissioned in simulators, the visual tower simulator, and we'll commission also the generic flight simulator. The installation of these simulators and the two new helicopters that we have on ground here today, the physical upgrade and the award of contract for the purchase of the next generation Boeing 737 full simulator remains a physical proof of the President's commitment to manpower development in the aviation sector. Government is on the verge of awarding contracts to refleet the aircraft in the fleet of the Nigerian College of Aviation Technology, Zaria.
The college is redoubling its effort and raving up for diversification of its instruction to include helicopter training. In collaboration with Bristol Helicopters, which donated one training bird, the college has acquired 2 brand new choppers as a first step towards commencing this level of training. With better funding, the college will improve the standard of instruction.
Assessments of NCAA has been very good, and very good in the sense that we have passed all the assessments that they've conducted for us. That's why we're able to maintain the ATO. But it's not that our passing the assessment is passing it 100%. We pass the assessment, but generally, just like you know, with every facility, aviation is an industry that changes so fast that for you to be able to really meet up and move with that trend, it will need enormous resources. And that's why you find out that what the college is doing is that from time to time you see us getting new equipment, and newer equipment continue to come. At least we are not 100%, but we are above 80% in compliance.
With 50 years of gradual improvement, the scorecard of the Nigeria College of Aviation Technology Zaria is very impressive. In the years ahead, the Nigeria College of Aviation Technology Zaria will continuously require the goodwill and support of all.
I could just close my eyes, see the 50 years on color as being wonderful. I don't need to close my eyes. It's going to be so bright. Because we gain enough experience for the past 50 years to be able to now contribute to the growth of aviation in the world.
NCAT at 50 is indeed aiming for the stars.